Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to close a currency account on your Revolut application. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. And in case you haven't created your Revolut account yet, you can find a link in the description to join for a referral code and get a bonus once you sign up. Now, if you want to close your account, then all you have to do is simply navigate to the one that you would like. So for example, I have euros, but I also have Great British pounds that I'm going to close. Click on accounts, click on more, and then from here, as you can see, there's a big button that simply says remove currency. Now, you can only remove the currency if it's not your default currency with any money in it. So you're going to transfer all the money from one account to another, and you can simply do that by going to whatever currency that has any money in it, and then simply click on move, and then from here, going to select to transfer to any other place. And then from here, once you've done that, going to click more, remove currency, and then yes. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.